This is a 2008 Bentley Continental GT. It features a 6.0-liter 12-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include an air suspension, a twin-turbocharged forced induction system, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, a low-tire pressure indicator, big 19-inch wheels, and a navigation system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, variable valve timing, a rear spoiler, tinted glass, a stability control system, an anti-lock braking system, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and this vehicle has fewer than 6,000 miles on the odometer. Not to mention that this Bentley qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.